Many homeowners don't think about their septic system until something starts going wrong. At first, it's just a strange smell near the bathroom, a slow drain, or a small patch of wet grass outside. But over time, those little warning signs can turn into expensive repairs, constant maintenance, and the stress of wondering what's happening underground. The truth is, most septic problems build up slowly due to sludge, waste accumulation, and low oxygen levels inside the tank. And when the balance inside your septic system is disrupted, foul odors and drainage issues often follow. That's why more homeowners are now looking for simple ways to support their septic systems before major problems appear. One solution getting attention is Septifix, an easy-to-use septic tank treatment tablet designed to help maintain a healthier septic environment naturally. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, Septifix works by releasing oxygen and billions of beneficial bacteria strains directly into the tank, helping break down waste more efficiently while reducing odors and sludge buildup over time. Many users say they noticed improvements within days, from fewer smells to smoother drainage and less worry about costly pump-outs. What makes Septifix appealing is its simplicity. There's no complicated maintenance routine or messy handling involved. You simply flush a tablet and let it work inside the system. For homeowners, that peace of mind can make a huge difference, especially knowing they're taking preventative steps instead of waiting for a major septic issue to happen. And because regular septic maintenance can become expensive over the years, many families are also exploring solutions that may help reduce long-term maintenance costs while supporting a cleaner, healthier septic system. At the end of the day, protecting your home often starts with maintaining the systems you never see. If you want to learn more about how Septifix works and why so many homeowners are exploring alternative septic tank treatment solutions, check the link in the description below and discover a smarter way to care for your septic system before small problems become expensive ones.